Big changes are in store for North State native and film producer Kathleen Kennedy. Lucasfilm, they're the company behind the Star Wars saga as well as Indiana Jones. They've been sold to Disney for a whopping $4 billion. There you see the founder right there, George Lucas on the right. Kennedy we're talking about, though, is the co-chairperson of the company founded by Mr. Star Wars himself. Under the new deal, Kennedy will become the Lucasfilm's president. Disney also announced plans to produce a 7th Star Wars movie. Lucas talked about Kennedy today, who grew up in the North State and is a fellow Wolf from Shasta High School.
I have turned the company over to Kathy Kennedy, who's been a friend for 40 years and is a very well-known and super qualified and perfect person to take over my legacy. And now we're going to the next step, which is to take the entire company and meld it with Disney.
Kennedy recently produced the Steven Spielberg film Lincoln. There will be a special screening of the film at the Cascade Theater in Reading on November 11th. That is a week from Sunday. Kennedy will be there. She'll take questions in a Q&A session. So that should be interesting. I'm assuming she's going to be getting a lot of phone calls now from people looking to be in the new Star Wars movie.
Well, you know, if I had known it was up for sale, I would have offered maybe...
You got some $4 bills?
You would have thrown in the bill?
Maybe
the
about
bid.
five. I think it's worth it, you know.
That's a typical
Kruger Productions.